Hello guys. So I'm running out of ideas to make. So since I'm running out of ideas I can make, I'm gonna show you my washing machine. It's cleaning right now. Here it is. So the twisty knob, other twisty knobs, the water level. No. Whoa, I took it out. Oh, there's a towel. What does this do? Aha, I made it work. Yeah, that's my washing machine. I don't know what's happening anymore in my videos, but okay. Comment below what do you want me to show next. Like a door, maybe. Yeah. So, that was the video of my washing machine. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. What is happening? That was my washing machine. Bye, guys.